7 minus 2 gives us 5. And again, 7 minus 2 gives us 5. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. But this answer is not correct because we didn't follow the correct order of operation. I'm going to explain that in just a minute. So, according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, so here is the PEMDAS. So every letter here stands for something, right? So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So according to this rule, we have to solve parentheses first. So only then we are allowed to move to the other arithmetics. And then after we solve all the parentheses, we move to exponent, and then we have to solve the exponent to move to multiplication or division. So for multiplication and division, the operation is going to be left to right. We are going to solve whichever comes first. So if we solve addition or subtraction before multiplication or division, that is wrong because we didn't follow the correct order of operation. So let's go back to our problem. So here we have parentheses, subtraction and multiplication. So if a number is placed next to parentheses, that means a multiplication. So keep that in mind. We have a multiplication as well. So 7 minus 2 gives us 5. And the problem becomes 7 minus 2 times 5. So here we have a multiplication and subtraction. So according to the rule, we have to do the multiplication before the subtraction because clearly multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So 2 times 5 gives us 10. And the problem becomes 7 minus 10, which gives us negative 3. So the correct answer to this question is negative 3.